guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronsah, also known as Sasa, and today we're doing an updated makeup routine. So before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I've been wanting to do an updated makeup routine for a while, so I'm glad to show you my everyday, simple, natural makeup. So I got my beauty bag here, and I am going to start with e.l.f. primer. Primer is used to make sure that your makeup application is applied smoothly and it moisturizes your face before you apply your foundation. So I apply a little bit here. Make sure your hands are clean and just pat it in. So now I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I got 356 warm coconut. The makeup brushes I use are from Real Techniques. So I'm going to tell you guys what got me into makeup. I don't wear makeup every day. I mainly wear it on occasion, but I started makeup as a sophomore in high school when I joined a color guard team. And we had to wear makeup for the performances, and that's when I started to learn about foundation, concealer, and powders. And yeah, it was a fun time for me, but I started learning on my own and started following basic tutorials. Next, I'm going in with concealer and apply under my eyes and on my chin and my forehead as well. And concealer is meant to brighten the areas but not make it look cakey. also add some concealer on my eyelids. Blend it in with my concealer brush. I mainly blend it with my fingers, but first I'm doing a little brush action. It brightens the eyelids. And it's in 330. It's the toffee caramel. I use pressed powder to set my foundation and concealer. This blurs the appearance of pores and gives you a smooth finish. I am using NYX Dewy Finish setting spray, and this helps the makeup stay in place. Blush is like my favorite part of my makeup routine, so I always use this blush. It is Patent Paint Lip Lacquer, and I think it's from MAC, but I will link all products down in my Amazon storefront in the description below. My blush brush. And I brush it a little upwards. Next, I go in with my Mega Volume mascara from Wet n Wild. Let me go all up close for y'all. Get super close. I usually don't like putting too much mascara because it's very hard to get off. I don't like wearing fake eyelashes either, so for my lip gloss, I like to use NYX Butter Gloss. And this one's the shade Rocky Road. I'm already wearing a dab of it. Like, this gloss is such a pretty color. But that is all for this video. This is my simple, cute makeup look, and I really like it. Something, you know, not too many products. Hold on, I forgot to go in with that spray again. Makes your makeup last longer. And that's it. Here's my simple makeup look. You can wear this for any occasion. And I love I can do it quick, it doesn't take too long. But if you like this video, make sure you like, comment what else you guys would like to see from me, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye!